Have you ever opened your laptop after it wakes up from sleep, only to realize that the Wi-Fi icon has completely disappeared from the taskbar? Not only is the icon missing, but your PC also loses its network connection, leaving you with no internet access. This is actually a very common Windows issue, especially after the computer wakes up from sleep mode. As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon is completely missing from my taskbar. The first thing we're going to try is the simplest troubleshooting step. Turn airplane mode on, and then turn it off again. The Wi-Fi icon is still missing. Let's move on to the next method. Now we're going to use the method that fixes this issue in most cases. Disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Press the Windows key and search for View Network Connections. Open it from the search results. You'll see all the available network adapters. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter. In most systems, it will be listed near the bottom. Right-click on it and select Disable. Wait a few seconds. Now right-click it again and select Enable. In about 99% of cases, the Wi-Fi icon immediately returns, and your wireless connection starts working again. If the previous method doesn't solve the issue, here's another effective solution. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand Network Adapters. Locate your Intel wireless adapter. Depending on your computer, it could also be a Realtek, Qualcomm, MediaTek, or Broadcom wireless adapter. Right-click on the wireless adapter and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Your Wi-Fi should now be working normally. How to prevent this issue? Now let me show you how to reduce the chances of this problem happening again. In Device Manager, right-click your wireless adapter once again and select Properties. Open the Power Management tab. Here you'll see an option related to allowing Windows to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this option, then click OK. This prevents Windows from putting the Wi-Fi adapter into an aggressive power-saving mode that can sometimes cause this issue after waking from sleep. Now search for Control Panel and open it. Go to Power Options. Select Change Plan Settings. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Expand Wireless Adapter Settings. Then expand Power Saving Mode. For both on battery and plugged in, select Maximum Performance. Click Apply, then OK. This helps Windows keep your wireless adapter fully powered and reduces the chances of the Wi-Fi disappearing after sleep mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.